Hi guys, how you doing? This is Rob Thomas Review. Today, I have a question for you. Are you guys looking for the perfect gift for your dad, or your husband, boyfriend, or just someone special in your life? Maybe someone that's got a new apartment or a new house and you want to get them some great gift. Well, I found this set of steak knives on Amazon that I bought for my apartment that are crazy, incredibly good. I'm going to pause the video for just 1 second. I'm going to switch views so you can see them a little bit closer, guys. Hold on. Okay guys, here are the steak knives on my counter. As you can see, these things look really nice. I'm going to take a little bit of a closer view for you. I'm actually going to pull them out some so you can see a little bit better. The handles are a wood grain handle. These things are very nice, very sturdy. You can hear that has a strong magnetic backboard. On this display, it's a nice wood display. It has a little sharpness on here. I'll show you the back side of it. It's just plain, but it's really nice. This set comes with 6 knives, I mean. It does have like the paring knife, the chef's knife, a couple other knives on there for you. But these knives, guys, I am going to tell you, are so nice. I am so impressed with these. Now, this is a little bit more of an expensive set. This is about $170. So this isn't a cheap set of steak knives. These are knives that are going to last you for a long, long time, guys. And I'm telling you, anybody that loves cooking is going to be so impressed with these knives. I've had these for about 3 months now. I do not wash them in the dishwasher. I just hand wash them. But I am so impressed with these knives. I am telling you guys, these are so beautiful. They look so cool sitting here. And the quality is just amazing, guys. Like, you can't go wrong. So if you know a chef in your life, maybe someone that's just graduated culinary school, maybe someone that's got their first house or their first apartment, you want a housewarming gift, these knives make the perfect gift. I'm telling you, I love them. If you guys get these, you will not be disappointed. Show you a little bit closer. Look at this handle, has this nice wood grain handle. These are very, very nice, guys. Japanese steak knives. So that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching. If you found any value from this video, guys, please subscribe. Let me know in the comments what kind of knives you guys use. If you're just kind of a regular steak knife kind of guy, or kitchen knives, let me know. That's it, guys. I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching again. Rob Thomas Reviews.